So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch Great American Family without having YouTube TV base plan first. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon. Then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then on the YouTube TV networks, you want to click on it. And then you want to purchase this YouTube TV base plan to your membership by paying for $16 per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you book the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Great. Right here on the Great American Family, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the Great American Family. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Great American Family on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.